Let's take one more question. I'm going to change the situation now. On 1st January 2012, A sells goods to B for ₹1,000 on credit and A draws a bill on B for ₹1,000 for 3 months. On 1st February 2012, A sent the bill to his bank for collection, and on due date, the bill was honored. In this situation, what happened? A received a bill from B, and instead of keeping the bill with himself at his home, he sent the bill to bank and instructed the bank to take money on my behalf from B on due date. And this thing will be informed to B immediately. So B has got the intimation that on due date, I don't have to go to A's place. I will have to go to bank. On due date, B goes to bank and pays cash and recovers his bill and cancels the bill. And what will bank do? Bank will recover the cash from B and will deposit the same cash in the account of A and will inform A immediately that your bill has been paid and your money has been deposited in your account. So in this way, first of all, let's make journal entries in the books of A. On 1st January 2012, first of all, A has sold goods to B, so journal entry will be B debit to sales account, ₹1,000. On the same date, it is 1st January 2012, A has drawn a bill on B, means A has received bill. So BR account debit to B, ₹1,000. On 1st February 2012, what A has done? He has sent the bill for collection to the bank. You will debit bill sent for collection account debit to BR. Means credit what goes out. So what he has given? He has given bill to the bank. So he has credited the BR account. And one temporary account has been opened. Has been debited, and the name of this account is bill sent for collection account. So what will be the narration? Being bill sent for collection to the bank. On 4th of April 2012, what will happen? Bank will recover money from B and will deposit the cash in the account of A, and bank will inform A immediately about the status of the bill. When A gets the information that money has been received against bill and the money has been deposited in my account, what he will do? He will pass the journal entries bank account debit ₹1,000 to bill sent for collection account. What it means? The money has been deposited in my account, so he will debit bank account. If you are going to debit bank account, it means you are going to increase the bank balance in your books. And bill sent for collection account will be credited because on 1st February it was debited, now it has been credited, means this account has been cancelled. So in this way, A will pass the journal entries in his books. So let's see how B will pass the journal entries in his books. So I'm going to pass the journal entries in the books of B in parallel of A journal entries so that you can compare both journal entries. On 1st January 2012, suppose you are B, what did you do? You bought the goods on credit basis. So what will be the journal entry? Purchases account debit to A, ₹1,000. And on the same date, on 1st January 2012, what did you do? You accepted the bill, means you signed the bill or promissory note and gave that promissory note or written promise to A. So A to BP account ₹1,000. A has been debited, means debit the receiver, to BP means what goes out. I'm just explaining you the journal entry rules. So A to BP ₹1,000. On 1st February 2012, A went to bank and deposited the bill with the bank and instructed the bank to collect money on his behalf. When A has given the bill to B, he informed B accordingly. means he informed B that on due date, please don't come to my place because I'm not holding the bill. The bill is with this bank and this is the address of the bill. Go to that bank and deposit cash in the bank. So for this information, B won't pass any journal entry. So on the due date, 4th of April 2012, if you are B, what will you do? You will take the cash from home and you will go to the bank. And there you will deposit cash rupees 1000 and will recover your bill. So what will be the journal entry? BP account debit to cash account. BP account debit means what comes in and to cash account means what goes out because cash has gone out and you have recovered your bill. So it doesn't matter for you if you are a drawee whether you are going to pay cash to A himself or going to the bank because your standard journal entry will be BP account debit to cash account. So let's see how A's account will be prepared in the books of B. You know, A's account will be prepared, I mean to say drawer's account, that will be made on the basis of journal entries. So first of journal entry, purchases account debit to A, rupees 1000. It means in the journal entry, A has been credited by rupees 1000. So in the ledger posting, A will be credited by rupees 1000, means posted on the credit side, rupees 1000, and the narration will be by purchases on 1st January 2012. Then A to BP, A has been debited by rupees 1000. So debit A account in the ledger posting to BP, rupees 1000, and then BP to cash. A was not involved. So in this way, the total on both sides, rupees 1000. So it means there is no closing balance in the account of A. It means A account has been cleared. In this way, the journal entries will be made in the books of A and in the books of B.